Hey everybody, I'm Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to be super quick and I'm going to show you how I plan on drawing almost every day in 2019. Okay, so you know that I have my journal. I've talked about it a lot and I love it. It is an A6 size Hobonichi Techo in the English planner version. And I'm loving it because the pages are small and so not overwhelming. I'm also having a little bit of trouble because the pages are small. So it's a double-edged sword for me. I'm absolutely having a ball in it. But one of my goals for 2019 was to kind of doodle and draw every day and get a little bit of practice in that. And I have been a little bit in here, but sometimes I just don't have the room with the writing and the stickers I want to use and tip-ins and all of that stuff. So I had ordered this little beauty along with this. When I ordered this journal, I had ordered this, which is the little weekly add-on, because I don't know if you've seen Hobonichi stuff. This has the daily pages and the monthly spreads, but no weekly spreads. So that's what this little cutie is. And it's so tiny that I didn't really have a purpose for it. I just knew that I loved it because it was so cute. And my previous planning life has been in sort of a vertical hourly style like this. So I thought maybe, you know, I'll have it in case I need it, in case I want it. So I got it and I was like, wow, this is tiny. This is very tiny. Like I said, I didn't have a purpose for this, but I discovered that I wanted to do my How to Draw Almost Every Day book that I got for Christmas. This is such an adorable book. It's from Amazon. There's two of them. I showed them in my Christmas present haul. How to Draw Almost Every Day and How to Draw Almost Everything. They're extremely similar like styles, but it looks like they're by different people. So this one actually is dated. So it has a little drawing for you every day of the year. And when I realized that, I was like, oh my goodness, I'm going to use my little weekly add-on to draw every day. And so that's what I started doing. And I love that it goes along with this. They're like kind of a matching set because when I got them, I put the washi tape on the edges of all these, so they kind of match. And I'm just excited that at the end of the year, this will be all full with stuff, and then this will be full of doodles for the year. So, I'm really thrilled with it. So I just thought I would share with you guys because I think it's super fun. Now, if you have any drawing ability at all, you might not like this book because it's extremely basic, but that is what I love so much about it because I don't have any drawing skill. And this is what I wanted, practice. And I didn't want to be drawing, Picassos. I just wanted little doodles, little stress-free things that I could draw
and not give a shit. I don't need more stress in my life.
I have enough stress already. I don't need doodling stress. So this is perfect. So I'm going to show you. This is my little thing. I drew on the front because I saw this little picture, which is the first page when you open the book. And I basically died at how cute it was. So I wanted to recreate it on my cover so it would make me want to draw and doodle every day. So it's a little girl and her little jumping up cat, and they're both holding pens, and it says go go. And there's a fish swimming through the O and a little flower, and then I drew a little tulip down here. So I love it. I wish I could color it in, but nothing will stick to this cover except for my Pigma, my Sakura Micro Perm. That is the only pen that I could get that would stick to this cover. So I couldn't color it in with anything. This wouldn't stick. My Uni Posca paint pens wouldn't stick. So, but that's okay. It's A-okay. And this is Tomoe River paper, just like my other regular Hobonichi that I'm journaling in. So that's really nice because I've become a Hobonichi, or I mean rather a Tomoe River paper convert. I really love it. I mean, it's the thinnest stuff, but really holds up. I mean, it's crazy. So here's winter, and what I plan to do, there was some white out in here because I originally thought maybe I could make this work for my YouTube planner, but then I was like, no, screw that. I cannot, this is not what I need. So I showed you how I made my own with my other notebook. So this first week in January, I just started. I started doing it, and I didn't draw in the actual day, like what the days, what the specific day was. Like I didn't draw the sake bottle in January 1st. I just drew them all over the weekly spread and thought that I would just kind of do it willy-nilly. This would just be my week of doodles. So I did the sake bottle and sake cup. And the second was calligraphy brush and paper. So I did that. You can see how basic these are. These are not hard drawings, but they were fun. They were really fun. And the third was practicing holiday cards. So I did this little winter wishes, and I kind of did it around the edge and then kind of copied the little winter scene at the bottom. The fifth was a kite. It was, this wore a spinning top. I did a kite. I did the cat kite. I didn't do the spinning top. I kind of didn't see that. I did want to do this little guy. It's like a sumo wrestler kite. I should have done that, but then I saw the cat and I freaked out. So maybe I'll have to go in and add the sumo wrestler kite too. And then the sixth was this little sleeping cat. I did fat sleeping cat because mine ended up looking pretty fat. And then I had an extra one because there was the 31st of December in this week. So I only had 6 in here, but I didn't want to go to the 7th because that was supposed to be part of this week. So I went back and I just found this little wind, the little cloud, and I thought that was super cute. So I just made that one of them, and I wrote winter wind. And then it kind of worked perfectly because he's blowing towards the kite. And then I thought that I could practice lettering in here too, because I'm not super great at that. And then I watercolored the pictures. I just had a ball. And then I used these Pigma Micron pens in the different colors to draw. I used the 0.2 to draw the outlines of most of the pictures. This one. And then the other colors that this was a set that I got for Christmas, not the Sakura Microperm, but these are all 05s, but they're in different colors. And I used some of those in here and there. And then since today is the 10th, I got started on this week. And let's see, oh, this is my daughter's bookmark. So the 7th was seasonal fruit, oranges and grapefruits. So that doesn't really look like an orange, and that probably doesn't look so much like a grapefruit, but I think they're pretty. And then a rice cake ornament. I have no idea what that is, but it says in Japan, rice cakes are eaten at the beginning of the year to bring good luck. I thought it was cute. And then there was a notebook. I mean, super basic drawing, right? But it was fun. And then a little binder with sticky notes. And then this little girl, I just thought was so cute. 111. I kind of got carried away because I didn't realize that I had kept going past the 10th because obviously it's supposed to be one a day, you know, and I just kept going because I'm just crazy like that. So I did the little kimono girl. I think she's so cute. And then this shopping bag. And like I said, super basic, but really, really fun. And it was really fun to watercolor in them. So yeah, I'm just super excited. And then I don't think oh, and I did do the 13th, so I actually finished out this week for myself. I did the pencil and the eraser. I like that. Good luck on a test paper. The little people in here are adorable. I love them. So that's what I'm planning on doing with this, and I think it's going to be so fun to have this all full. 365 days, 52, well, I mean, there's only 52 pages in here for the weeks, but 52 weeks full of my daily doodles. So that's my plan, guys. I'm so excited, and yeah, I'm excited that these are gonna go together, be my little companions. Let me put my bookmark back in. And that's it. So I presume that I'll keep using these pens and probably my Posca paint pens and my watercolors. I'm just having a ball. Probably my mild liners too. You know what I like. So that's all, guys. Are you gonna do some sort of doodling challenge? Let me know if you have found a really cool doodling challenge. I'd like to know about it. If I get bored of these drawings or something, I'm sure I can always doodle, or I can always Google, rather, like, you know, January doodling challenge or March doodling challenge, and come up with some kind of prompt list that I could go off of as well. But I'm hoping that I can make it through this little adorable book, because it's just so stinking cute. I love it. And like I said, stress-free doodling, right up my alley. So if that sounds like fun, then check out this book, and this one too, because they're super cute. And they'd also be good for little kids that like to draw, but are just kind of learning. Like my 8-year-old would love this, you know, learning to draw simple things, because it gives you the step-by-step of like how to draw a cup, how to draw a teapot, you know. I mean, he wants to draw like machetes and Star Wars fighter jets, so that's obviously not in here, but your child might like it. So I will talk to you later, guys. Bye.